Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy you are here today. Today I'm gonna be cleaning and decorating the upstairs. Yes, we are finally decorating. I'm also gonna reveal my new bed to you guys. It's a small transformation that we did over the weekend. Well, let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. Well, let's start by finally revealing my new bed to you guys. Do you remember, guys, I've had this queen size bed here that I've now shifted upstairs. I'll be showing it to you guys very soon. Now this bed is a very antique bed and comes from my ancestral home. Well, it needed only a coat of polish and that's it. It is as good as new now. Well, I also need to purchase a mattress for it. I've already placed an order. So yeah, once I receive it, I can't wait to decorate it. Well, now moving upstairs, the first bedroom, I started by wiping down the furniture and then the ceiling fan and then changing the sheets of the bed since I did not want the dust from the ceiling fan on the new sheets. Then I swept down the floor and finally you will see I put up the new curtains, not new actually, we had this for quite some time now. I love these curtains. They are lace and in the color cream. They are nice and airy and let the outside light enter the room. It also doesn't make the room feel dark. So yeah, that's about it. Well guys, Christmas is a time of magic, a joyous time and a time for family. Well, what's more fun than decorating for Christmas? Christmas will always be my favorite holiday. When you move as often as we do during this time of the year, the simplest decorations can make a huge difference. That is why it is important for us to decorate. I think everything that you can do to make your home look cozier and more celebratory this winter can help your mental state. Okay guys, so do you remember this bed? Yes, it's the same bed that was in my room downstairs. So we moved the single cot which was in this bedroom to the bedroom that we have just cleaned. So now it's like a twin bedroom. Well, I started off by cleaning the curtain rods, the window frames, the furniture, like the cupboard top, the bed, the doors, the wall furniture. I wiped it all down. You know what I feel? Inviting festive cheer into your homes early by putting those Christmas decorations up could create a longer lasting feeling of goodwill and beautifully lift your mood by adding the sparkle to an otherwise normal environment. And doing your favorite Christmas things earlier will remind you of the simple joys and pleasures of being human. Studies also show that decorating for the holidays improves mood and ignites that positive memories Holiday decorating ignites the child in each of us, evoking a positive emotion.
Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. Give me what I'm looking for.
Well guys, I do not know if you remember me mentioning about my study table when we were cleaning downstairs. It had this wood-eating termite that was kind of hiding inside the wood, and we would have those fine semolina size wood droppings on the floor every day. So my carpenter recommended me to get rid of it since it had completely eaten the furniture from the inside. And before the termite could get into the other furniture, it would be better to dispose it off. So I had taken out all my stationery stuff from the table drawers, the table cabinet, and I kept it on the floor. Well, I need a new table now for myself, and in the meanwhile, I'm going to keep all the stuff in the storeroom.
Give me what I'm looking for.
Well, now that I'm done wiping down all the furniture and the ceiling fan, it is now time to change the sheets of the bed. I chose this green color bed sheet with some red flowers on it because I felt it would perfectly match the paint as well as the Christmas theme. I also bought these throw pillow covers that I wanted to add in all the rooms. So I added this one with a beautiful Christmas greeting on it in this room because I think it would perfectly match well with this green color and also add that pop of red.
Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want.
Moving on to the lobby, I started off by wiping down the altar, then the curtain rod and the window.
Now Ginger likes playing and sleeping on this rug. So it had a lot of his fur. Now the only and the most effective way of cleaning this rug would be vacuuming it.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch
This candle stand is basically a Christmas one, so I thought of putting up it in the twin bedroom. Well, it is also believed that Christmas decorating spikes dopamine, a feel-good hormone. The bright lights and colors, the ambience, the Christmas tree being lit for the first time could increase energy levels and boost happiness. There has been so much doom and gloom and so much stress and absolute torture during these 2 years of 2020 and 21 due to COVID that I decided to decorate early this year. My Christmas deco is going up early because I need that and we all need that. I wanted to make myself happy and maybe bring a bit of cheer to you guys.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
People are longing for happiness and joy. These 2 years have been a significant years of grief and loss. Loss of freedom, loss of time with family, loss of jobs and income, and loss of loved ones. As such, people are seeking comfort and even healing. Plus, many of our beloved holiday traditions like parties with friends and family gatherings may be on pause because of COVID. Decorating is one way we can safely and healthfully lift our spirits.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Okay, now next I wanted to decorate these stairs. So I had bought these garlands from Amazon. I'll mention the links down in the description box for you guys to check it out. Now what I liked about them is that they are super flexible, so I can intervene two together and make it look like one good long garland. Now to add a little pop to the green, I added some of these red ornaments that I had. We usually do not decorate the upstairs, but I always wanted to, and it feels pretty good to have your house all decked up for the most festive part of the year.
Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but the feeling. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want, baby. Can you give me what I need? Just give me what I want. Just give me what I want. Give me what I'm looking for.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and it has given you tons of motivation to start cleaning for Christmas and start decorating your home for Christmas. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, stay safe and take care.